Time to shred on the WOOM 4. My 7-year-old is about to turn 8, and the bike she has is a piece of you know what. I'm pretty excited to do this. We're gonna get her a bike that she can actually ride. That's not 50 pounds. This is what we're looking at. The WOOM. And the WOOM 4. They've got 5 color options. Her favorite color is blue. They ship it for free. I'm not gonna show you my credit card number. Jordan and Johnson. Both players were greats. Both are one of the greats of all time. I love basketball. My favorite guy's on the right there, Jordan. Order is confirmed. Early birthday present. I'm excited. Let's get this bike and put it together. And this is the package we're waiting for, the WOOM. Yeah, let's get this baby put together. Schwalbe Little Joe. I'm half tempted to take these reflectors off the wheels too. Going mountain biking, they're just gonna get knocked off. That's pretty close. Should we make sure that shifting works? Don't you wish your bike was this light and you could just hang on to it and check things out in the house like this? I'm excited. I want to give it to her right now. I think we're good. Bam. A WOOM 4, 20-inch bike, 8-speed cassette. So it's 8 gears and it's a 1-by, and they've got a little doodad here so that a little chain guard so the chain can't pop off, which is kind of sweet. WOOM 4. Shifter's kind of nice because it's got 8 speeds on it. And it's got all the numbers there, and the little orange dial lets you know what gear you're in. Grip shift. She's gonna have to get used to stopping without the pedals and stopping with her hands. It's got room for a bottle cage right here. Let's see if a water bottle can get up in there. The moment of truth. Smallest water bottle I have. Fits, but it's tight. We did end up getting a side entry water bottle cage because it was too tight with the other one. What's gonna happen? This is gonna be your birthday gift. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Pull your shirt down.
Ah! It's a new bike!
What color is it?
It's blue!
Do you like it?
Yeah, and it has a water bottle and a pulse.
Can you pick it up?
Yeah!
Is it lighter than your bike you have now?
Yeah!
It has gears. So you can go easy and up hills and then really fast.
Oh, that's light.
Are you excited?
Yeah! And what's this for? Shift.
Those are your brakes. That's how you stop.
Not like going like that?
No.
Like that. So these are my brakes, so I just go when I want to stop?
Yeah. This girl was so excited to get out on her bike. It had just rained, but she didn't care. This is what we're doing right now, she said.
Go, Ava, go. Lead the way, girl.
How does it feel?
Oh, I was going to say, when'd you get a yellow, buddy?
And if you want to go into an easier gear, you just shift that grip shift.
Yeah, push it forward.
There you go. So fun. Careful.
Your legs really tight. Put it in the harder gear, you'll go faster.
Speed demon. You're welcome so much. She was so excited she didn't want to go to sleep and we did a night ride. Oh, your elbow was itchy? No, you wouldn't have made it up that hill on the other bike. The WOOM bike made you go WOOM!
Yeah.
Good job, you made it up the hill.
That made me get hot.
Good, I bet.
Okay, I changed my gear.
Alright, so we can go a little faster again.
That 8.
You're good. Remember, it's going to get darker. We'll be riding in the dark because someone wanted to go around the lake on their new bike. WOOM WOOM! Next, it was time to try out some single track. What? Oh, good call. Yep. Good. Coming in hot? Yeah, you are coming in hot. She impressed me by handling her bike very well for her first time on the single track. Next, we were off to Colorado with that bike. The single track was a little rough for what she's used to, lots of rocks. So her and I rode the gravel roads and found this cool structure that has all the letters of her name in it. After that, we made our way on a 2-track around a lake, and when things got too rough, going to the ghost town, I had a monkey on my back. WOOM bike, man. Get your kid a WOOM bike for sure. 16-pound kid bike with gears. Nice job. Way to power over that hill. Just kicking it. Good job. She made it up the big hill too. Yeah, fun dip. Woo! Be sure to share and subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new content. I really hope this video inspires you to get your kids on bikes. Get a nice light WOOM bike or something similar for them so that they can get out on the trails, be active, have fun, and shred with you. It's so fun to have your kids out in the woods on the trails together. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Good job on the course.